Hey, so do you have a extra source of income? Multiple streams of incomes coming in? I know if you've got a job, you're probably busy enough with just that job that you don't want to get something else going, but man, you're only talking about one source of income. And if that happens to go away, because we know there's going to be something going down here in the next 3 to 6 months. I mean, it's we're in trouble. We've got a lot of problems. We're in debt up to our noses. And if you've only got one job, one source of income, boy, you're really playing it on the edge. My recommendation is you try to get something put together because you're the one that's got to do it. Get something put together so that you're getting at least additional incomes. Even if they're small, they're at least going to be something maybe you can buy a loaf of bread. If you can even find some place that sells a loaf of bread. If you know what I mean, you've got to start preparing for this upcoming whatever it might be. And if it's nothing, so what? Multiple streams of income. That's pretty much what every millionaire has going on for them. They've got more than one income. They just don't get a one company that's making them a multi-millionaire. They've got several. They got something into real estate, something into whatever it might be, the stock market, which I wouldn't really put my money in there. But they've also got golds and gold IRAs and all kinds of different things. So if you're not preparing for that, you might find yourself in trouble. Now, I'm trying to push affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is nothing more than you selling somebody else's product online. And everybody's online, right? And well, until they turn the lights off, that's true. Getting your stuff online and getting paid an affiliate for doing that is really the best place to be. Blech, can't even talk. Well, anyways, this is basically my way of getting into a software that helps you put together an online program. And actually, if you go to my site, most of that stuff is free. So it's just education. So get some sort of education to see what other people are doing so you can duplicate that. So check my site out. I'm going to have a link down here. There's a webinar where this man that I've been following for a great deal of time, he goes into it probably in a lot more detail than you really want, so you might even speed it up a little bit. He does like to hear himself talk. But he is the inventor of the software that I'm using that has led me to automate all of my affiliate programs that I'm doing. So it just automatically runs 24/7 because that's really what you need if you're going to get an additional income. My God, you can't go to work at several different jobs every day. You'll burn yourself out or not kill yourself. This is a way that you can spend some time, spare time, if you can find it, to put something together that's going to be automated so that you did the work once and you're going to get paid over and over again. That's what I'm talking about. Multiple streams of income. Check out my link. Watch that webinar. Yes, it's going to take some of your time, but you're going to learn so much from it, and you can play around on my site and look at all the free classes that are offered there. You can also look at the ones that I promote the most. It's oil, water, and gold and silver. Well, little punch there for my site, but anyways, thanks for listening to me ramble on, but get yourself in a better position today for tomorrow and the future. Multiple streams of income will do that. Safeguard yourself. Thanks. Like and share and join my channel.